Hi, today we have a crossbody for women. It's multifunctional, multi-pocket, and waterproof. Let's see how many pockets it has. We can fit all our necessities in here. Have little side pockets here where you want to put your wallet, your cell phone, keys. Also has 2 pockets on the top. That fits a lot of stuff. I have my sunglasses, my reading glasses, even my water bottle. And then a little small pocket in the back if you want to put some of your more personal items. It's a crossbody bag that you can put it over your shoulder, or if you want to put it across for more security. You know, it's big enough to hold everything you need to hold, but also small enough to carry around easily.